friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday January 31st to Saturday February 2nd 2021. These are all digital and printable deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with the first deal. My first deal is Colgate Optic White Sensitive or Enamel Health Toothpaste Deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. They have on sale $5.99 each. You can buy 2 Colgate Sensitive toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $11.98. It's $5.99 each. Use $3 off $12 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, we have right now 75 cents off Colgate printable coupon on colgate.com. Altogether, the total coupon is $4.50. Pay or roll only just $7.48 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.48 or 74 cents each. The next deal is select Colgate toothpaste or toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste or toothbrush and get back $8 ECB back. It's limit 2 per household. It's on sale $7.99. Buy 2 Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste is $15.98. It's $7.99 each. If you have this $4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT, you can attach with this deal. Also, we have one $2 of Colgate Renewal Toothpaste digital coupon. This one is expired on January 31st. Also, we have one 75 cents of Colgate Renewal Toothpaste printable coupon on colgate.com. The total coupon is $6.75. Pay or roll $9.23 and get back $8 ECB back. The final cost is only just $1.23 or 61 cents each. The next deal is Crest toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Crest premium toothpaste and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $6.99 each. Buy 1 Crest gum detoxify toothpaste is $6.99. Also, you can buy 1 Crest 3D charcoal toothpaste. It's $6.99. The totals come out $13.98. Use one $4 of 14 Crest toothpaste CVS CRT. Pay or roll $9.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is both toothpaste is $5.98 or $2.99 each. Check back on Sunday for the digital coupon. The next deal is CoverGirl cosmetic deal. Spend $14 on CoverGirl product and get back $7 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 CoverGirl Brow Eye Maker eyeliner. It's $12.98. It's $6.49 each. Also, you can attach with this deal CoverGirl Clean Press Powder. It's $8.49. The totals come out $21.47. Use one $6 of $20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2 of CoverGirl Eye digital coupon and one $2 of CoverGirl printable coupon on coupon.com. It's no longer available. Also, we have one $2 of CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $9.47 and get back $7 ECB. The final cost is $2.47 or 82 cents each. The next deal is Sally Hansen cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Sally Hansen and get back $4 ECB. They have exclude extreme wear. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Sally Hansen hard as nail. It's $8.38. It's $4.19 each. Pay or roll $8.38 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is $4.38 or $2.19 each. The next deal it's Maybelline cosmetic deal. Spend $12 on Maybelline cosmetic and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Maybelline single eyeshadow, it's $4.49. Also, you can buy one Maybelline foundation, it's $8.49. The totals come out $12.98. Use one $4 off Maybelline mystery coupon. It's available on January 31st. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you have this $4 mystery coupon, if you want to hold that CRT, you can use that next to next week. They have better deal. Buy two Maybelline and get back $5 ECB. That deal start on January 7th, 2021. The next deal is Silk Razor and Refill deal. Buy two Silk Razor and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Silk Hydro Silk 3 refill, it's $12.49. Also, you can buy one Silk Hydro Silk 3 woman razor, it's $9.99. The totals come out $22.48. Use one $5 off $20 any Save Care product CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $4 off Silk Hydro Silk 3 refill CVS CRT. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $13.48 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.48 or $1.74 each. But you can do this deal if you have this $5 of $20 any Save Care CVS CRT. Otherwise, you can pass this deal. The next deal is Sure or Brute deodorant deal. Buy one and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $2 each. Buy one Brute or Sure deodorant, it's $2. Pay or roll $2 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Speed Stick single or twin pack or ladies speed stick deal. Buy two speed stick and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Buy two ladies speed stick deodorant, it's $5.38. It's $3.59 each. Also, you can use $1 of two speed stick CVS CRT. Also, we have 50% off ladies speed stick printable coupon on speedstick.com. The total coupon is $2. Pay or roll $3.38 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.38 or 69 cents each. The next deal is L'Oreal Ever Pure Shampoo and Conditioner deal. Spend $10 on L'Oreal Ever Pure Shampoo and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy two L'Oreal Ever Pure Shampoo, it's $16.98. It's in my store $8.49 each. Also, you can use one $3 or $12 any shampoo, conditioner or styler CVS CRT. Also, we have right now $5 off two L'Oreal Ever Pure Shampoo digital coupon. Also, you can use $5 off two Pure Shampoo printable coupon on coupon.com. This is possibly glitch. The total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is Garnier Whole Blend Shampoo and Conditioner deal. Buy two Garnier Whole Blend Shampoo and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $7. Buy two Garnier Whole Blend Shampoo 12.5 OZ, it's $7. Also, you can use one $2 off two Garnier Whole Blend Shampoo Conditioner coupon on Coupon Center. It's available on January 31st. Pay or roll $5 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is $2 or $1 each. Right now, we don't have any printable coupon. The next deal is you can combine this deal if you have this $4 off $18 any shampoo and conditioner CVS CRT. Spend $10 on L'Oreal Everpure shampoo and get back $5 ECB, and buy 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and get back $3 ECB. Both are has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 L'Oreal Everpure shampoo, it's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Also, you can buy 2 Garnier Whole Blend shampoo, it's $7. It's 2 for $7. The totals come out $23.98. Use one $4 off $18 any shampoo, conditioner or styler CVS CRT. Use one $5 off 2 L'Oreal Everpure shampoo digital coupon, possibly glitch. Also, we have one right now $5 off 2 L'Oreal Everpure shampoo printable coupon on coupon.com. If you not print that coupon, you can print this coupon so you have the better deal on next week. Also, we have one $2 off 2 Garnier Whole Blend coupon on Coupon Center. It's available on January 31st. The total coupon is $16. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $5 ECB for L'Oreal and get back $3 ECB for Garnier. The final cost is free. The next deal is select Nivea lotion, body wash and Nivea Men Save product deal. Buy 2 Nivea lotion and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Nivea breathable body lotion 13.5 OZ, it's $17.58. It's $8.79 each. Also, you can use one $3.50 off $15 any lotion CVS CRT. Also, we have one $3 off Nivea breathable lotion printable coupon on coupon.com. This one no longer available. Also, we have one right now $3 off Nivea breathable lotion digital coupon. The total coupon is $9.50. Pay or roll $8.08 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $3.08 or $1.54 each. The next deal is select Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Eucerin skin calming cream 8 OZ, it's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. You can use one $4 off $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Also, we have right now two $3.50 off Eucerin lotion printable coupon on eucerinus.com. It's limit 4 per transaction. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is healthcare deal. BioTrue or Renew Eye Care deal. Buy one and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one Renew product, it's $7.99. Use one $5 off one Renew solution printable coupon on renew.com. Also, if you have one $2 off Eye Care CVS CRT, pay or roll only just 99 cents and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is select Icy Hot or Esper Cream deal. Buy 2 Icy Hot or Esper Cream Grey and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Esper Cream Pain Relief Roll On No Mess Applicator. It's $18.98. It's $8.99 each. Also, you can attach with this deal $3 off $12 any pain relief rub or patch CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2 off Esper Cream product digital coupon. The total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $12.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is only just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal is household deal. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy one L'Oreal Paris Revitalift serum. It's $32.79. Use two $5 off $15 L'Oreal Paris facial care CVS CRT. Also, if you have one $6 off L'Oreal Paris Revitalift CVS CRT, and also we have one $5 off L'Oreal Paris Revitalift serum CVS CRT. The total coupon is $21. Pay or roll $11.79 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.79 each. The next deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex and OB deal scenario 1. Spend $12 and get back $3 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale, buy one get one 50% off. Buy one OB Pro Comfort tampon, it's $4.49. It's $8.99 each. It's buy one get one 50% off. Buy one Playtex Sport tampon 32 to 40 CT, it's $9.49. The totals come out $13.98. Use one $2 off $12 paid liner CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 off 2 Stay Free Playtex or OB digital coupon. It's available on January 31st. Also, use one $4 off OB tampon CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 off Playtex tampons CVS CRT. The total coupon is $12. Pay or roll $1.98 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next one is scenario 2. Spend 12 on get back $3 ECB. They have buy one get one 50% off. You can buy one Stay Free Maxi Paid with Wings. It's $7.99. And also you can buy one Stay Free Maxi Paid with Wings. It's $3.99 because it's buy one get one 50% off. The totals come out $11.97. Use one $3 off 2 on Stay Free digital coupon. It's available on January 31st. Also, you can use one $2 off $12 paid liner CVS CRT. Also, if you have $3 off Stay Free paid liner CVS CRT. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $3.97 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just 97 cents or 48 cents each. The next deal is food deal. Skinny popcorn deal. Buy 2 skinny popcorn and get back $1 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale $2.99 each. Buy 2 skinny popcorn 4.4 to 5.3 OZ. It's $5.98. It's $2.99 each. Use one $1 off skinny popcorn digital coupon. Also, we have one $1 off skinny popcorn printable coupon. It's no longer available. Pay or roll $2.98 and get back $1 ECB. The final cost is only just $1.50 each. The last and final deal is Hershey's Original or Valentine Kisses candy deal. Buy 2 candy bag and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Hershey's candy 7 to 10.4 OZ, it's $6. Pay or roll $6 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just $4 or $2 each. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. Hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.